Our main business is design, build and supply of system and modules, so-called SOM. We used to and we will continue to do the PCB design in-house. After design is done internally, we typically provide the Gerber files to PCB suppliers, either in Europe or in Asia. Lead times start at 8 working days for medium complex PCBs, but they can easily rise up to 15 working days for some more complex PCBs. In addition, we have to pay one-time setup costs, setup fees, which start at, let's say, 170 euros. They can easily rise up to 500 euros. And if you take all express fees into account, the cost can easily double. Since the common success of 3D printers, there were always innovative stories and fantasy about using 3D printers with electronics and PCB design. So far I wasn't able to find an affordable equipment of a proper accuracy and precision to use it in real professional design. The DragonFly 2020 is the first printer which is designed to provide a suitable accuracy and precision for the use in state-of-the-art electronics. On-site printing of PCBs can easily save multiple days in waiting for PCBs. This allows you to get earlier in access to functional prototypes. You can do your design validation much earlier. So the most important benefit is a dramatic reduction of development cycle time. It takes us 12 to 18 hours, depending on the size and complexity of a board, to print a PCB. This is easily 10 to 15 times faster than ordering PCB the traditional way. So within one working day, our production facility gets access to the first new PCB of new design. Using the DragonFly 2020 will extend our rapid development capabilities we can provide to our customers. There are several benefits. First of all, we can improve the quality of the hardware design because we can do faster and quicker design validation because we have earlier access to functional prototypes, or we can have more frequent redesigns. On the other hand, you can reduce the overall design cycle time for such a product just by reducing the lead time of PCBs. In addition, rapid PCB prototyping and especially PCB printing, 3D printing of PCBs is a key technology in enabling modern methodologies for hardware design. Software takes benefits of agile and iterative design since years, but for hardware it's still a challenge how you can provide the expected 4 to 5 iterations of a hardware design, especially if you consider that you have 2 to 3 weeks for building a new iteration, a new redesign of your product, and consider you have lead times, or you had lead times of 10 to 15 working days. How can that work? They can also envision the use of printed electronics in small volume series production once the technology has improved over time.